Hello everyone, and welcome. Merry Christmas. Have you ever wished for natural, glowing, and younger looking skin, without expensive products or complicated routines? What if I told you the secret might already be hiding in your kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you how to make 2 amazing, simple, and nourishing face masks using pumpkin. Pumpkin is packed with vitamins, like A, C, and E, and antioxidants that work wonders for deep hydration, brightening, and helping to smooth fine lines. Now, let's get to the recipe. First, we steam the pumpkin until it's soft. Then, we mash it thoroughly to get a smooth puree. But before we start, a crucial safety note: always do a patch test before trying any new skincare product. Apply a small amount of the mask on your inner arm and wait. If you have sensitive skin or existing conditions, please consult a dermatologist first. Your skin's health is the priority. For Mask 1, Hydrating and Brightening Mask. We take 1 tablespoon of this puree. We add 1 tablespoon of plain, natural yogurt to it. Yogurt provides gentle exfoliation and softens the skin. Then, we add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Honey is a powerful moisturizer and antioxidant. We mix it all well until it's consistent. Look at how nice it looks. For Mask 2, Nourishing and Anti-Aging Mask. Again, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree. This time, we mix it with a piece of thoroughly mashed banana. Banana is rich in potassium and vitamins, which nourish and firm the skin. Apply on clean skin, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Use once or twice a week for best results. If you liked this tutorial, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Let me know in the comments which mask you tried and how your skin felt. Until the next video, goodbye.